I am so excited to share with you today the Heritage Hideaway, a home plan designed by David Stumpf Architecture that has all of the detail and thought put into the design of this home that you come to expect when working with an architect. However, it's in a ready-made package, specifically for those individuals that just don't have the time to dedicate to working with an architect, or for those people that just want to get started with building a new home. The Heritage Hideaway was specifically designed to connect the occupants with the outdoors. It's a perfect home plan for those looking to downsize or looking for a vacation home that isn't too large. At 753 square feet, this compact plan boasts 2 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom, a rear mudroom, utility, and laundry space, along with a great room that contains the kitchen and living space. And better yet, 360 square feet defines both the rear and front porch of this home. Those porches, both the rear and front, allow this home to be sited on any lot and oriented in any direction. If you want to take advantage of a riverfront view or a lakefront view, you can face this home directly towards that. Or if you want to take advantage of outdoor living space that may contain a pool, outdoor kitchen, there's a rear porch that allows you to still connect with those spaces from the main home. When purchasing a home plan directly from our website, such as the Heritage Hideaway, you'll be prompted for a PDF download. That PDF contains the construction documents that we've created for you to be able to build this home. You'll be able to take that PDF to a local print shop where they'll print off the drawings for you like the ones you see behind me. They're scaled at 24 inches by 36 inches, which is a standard sheet size for construction drawings. And it's from there that your contractor is going to be able to start estimating the project for you. Some contractors still like to work off of paper prints like the ones behind me, and others have started to work off of PDF prints. It's just really going to depend on your contractor and the way they like to work. Depending on the jurisdiction you plan to build in, you'll also need to have prints like this made specifically for your building permit process. A lot of jurisdictions have started to go digital, but there's still quite a few that require physical prints when submitting for a building permit. For a 753 square foot home, this construction document package contains 12 sheets of drawings. This contains all of the information that we've deemed necessary to create a highly detailed home. Everything from ceiling plan to your cabinet layout was thought through, specifically to take a small space and make it feel as large as possible. The sheets within the construction document package include a cover page, a project information page, which includes copyright notices, a foundation detail page, which you're going to want to have reviewed by a local structural engineer. While we design this home to the best of our ability, we don't know where you're going to be building it. And it's at that point that you're going to want to have a local structural engineer review these drawings for accuracy and for any code implications that might be specific to your local jurisdiction. Other sheets included in this set are your floor plans and reverse ceiling plans. And like we said before, this is a very highly detailed home, and we wanted to make sure that we had all of the space available to us, and we took advantage of that with the way we designed the ceilings as well. You also have enlarged floor plans and details specific to the kitchen, bathroom, and mudroom laundry room area. These also include cabinet layouts and elevations so that you can take these directly to your cabinet manufacturer and have them start working on those orders as soon as you've purchased this plan set. Also included are your exterior elevations, building sections, and large wall sections so your contractor knows exactly how we intend this building to go together. And we do have some details specific to energy efficiency that they'll want to pay attention to there. And to round it off, we have column placement and details for our porches, as well as an electrical plan and a lighting plan for this home. As you can see, this is a very highly detailed plan set specific to those individuals that are looking for a beautiful home. This is not what is known as a builder set or what you would purchase from a plan retailer. This is a specific plan set that is designed to be able to create a beautiful, thoughtful home. If you guys found this video as entertaining and informative as we did, please feel free to hit that like button. It's going to help spread the word and share this video with other people that might find it informative as well. And if you're thinking of anybody who may want to build a home like the Heritage Hideaway, feel free to share this video directly with them, because our hope is to inform them as to what it is that goes into designing a home like this and how an architect can help. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, feel free to hit that subscribe button, because we have plenty of other architectural videos on the channel here that are just as entertaining and informative. If you have any questions at all, feel free to leave those in the comments section here, and we'll see you in the next video.